Alright, so this is Perplexity, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can check how many credits that you have left on your Perplexity account. Because recently there is a major change on the platform. It used to be basically unlimited, but now you are very limited. Like, for example, on my account, I usually can use Perplexity hundreds of times a day, but now I can only use it maybe 20 to 30 times a day, which is not a lot. So I have to be mindful when I'm using Perplexity. But the problem is right now in Perplexity, at least the desktop web version, you won't be able to see any number or how many credits that you have left on your account unless if the number is closer to 0. So if I click this and if I want to rewrite the answer with a different model, now I can see the number of queries that I have on my account. So I only have 2 enhanced queries remaining today for my Perplexity account, and mind you that I'm using the Pro version of the platform. So that is just crazy. I can only use maybe 20 or 30 messages in Perplexity, and after that I have to wait for another hour until my credits replenish. So that's just really annoying. Now, what if you want to know the exact number in real time? Well, fortunately, there is a page that you can visit if you want to know the exact number or the exact amount of credits that you have on your Perplexity account. So if you're using the desktop version, the web version of Perplexity, you can navigate to this page. This is not a sort of official page. I mean, you cannot find this page anywhere. You have to visit the URL manually. So this is the link, and I'm going to put this in the description down below. Basically, just open this page via a browser and make sure that you are using the same Perplexity account on that browser. And I do recommend to click Pretty Print. And there you go. So there are some info that are not very relevant, but the one thing that you need to know is the Pro. So the remaining Pro, or basically how many times you can use advanced queries or advanced models like the Grok model, Claude, GPT, Gemini, etc. So these are known to be advanced models, and basically according to this info, I can only use those models twice today, which is again not a lot. Now, just to prove it to you, I'm going to rewrite this answer using maybe perhaps the Sonar model. Rewrite and just wait until it registers. So okay, if I go back to that page again, if I refresh the page and if I enable Pretty Print again, you'll see that now I only have 1 credit on my Perplexity account. So that credit was just used to rewrite this message with a different AI model. Now, if you are using the mobile app version of Perplexity, let me just fire up my Android phone. So this is the mobile app version of Perplexity. The number here is usually going to show up when you click this magnifier icon, and then you can see how many credits that you have for research or labs feature. And usually it's also quite up to date based on the page that's shown right here. So this also one thing that I like about the mobile version, it is actually giving you the number, unlike the desktop web version. Now, if you don't want to use your credits a lot, then I do recommend to just use the best model or the best option in Perplexity. So most of the times you will actually just use the Sonar model, which is a lot cheaper in Perplexity, and that's just one way to save credits, given that the amount of credits that we have in Perplexity is not as many as it used to. But other than that, that's basically how you can check the number of credits on your Perplexity account. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.